excited about the Animal Olympics. On the day of the Olympics, he woke up very early. He was a fast runner and felt sure he could win a gold medal. The Animal Olympics were being held at the zoo. Lots of different animals were invited to take part in the games. There were dogs, cats, lions, tigers, birds, elephants, and mice, to name a few. The first event was the running race. Fluffy was a fast runner and he felt sure he could win the race. All the animals lined up at the starting line. "Ready, set, go!" yelled the starter. Fluffy had only run 3 steps when the winner reached the finish line. The cheetah won. Fluffy came last. Fluffy felt sad, but there were still 5 events left. Fluffy was also really good at jumping. He felt sure he could win the long jump. Fluffy did not even reach the sand pit. The kangaroo jumped to the end of the sand pit. The kangaroo was the winner. Fluffy was last. Fluffy felt a bit sad, but there were still 4 events left. He felt sure he could win the next event. The next event was swimming. He was a great swimmer. Fluffy had only swum 3 strokes when the winner reached the end of the pool. The dolphin was the winner. Fluffy was last. There were still 3 events left, so Fluffy wasn't worried. He felt sure he would win the next event, diving. He was a great diver. Fluffy made his very best dive, but he only scored 5 points. The winner was the seal. She scored 10 points. Fluffy was last, but Fluffy was not worried. There were still 2 events left, 2 chances to win a gold medal. He would win the next event, weightlifting. He was very strong. He felt sure he could win the weightlifting event. Fluffy used all his strength to lift the barbells, but the elephant was much stronger and lifted much more. The elephant was the winner. Fluffy was last. Fluffy was very worried. There was only 1 event left. He had to win it to get a gold medal. He wasn't sure he could win the next event, gymnastics. He was worried that the other animals were better gymnasts. The cheetah went first. He wasn't very good. He scored 3 points. The kangaroo was worse. He scored 2 points. The elephant was very clumsy and scored only 1 point. It was Fluffy's turn. He scored 10 points and won a gold medal. All the animals cheered, "Well done, Fluffy!" Okay, now we're going to do some questions about the Animal Olympics. Question number 1. How did Fluffy feel when he woke up on the day of the Animal Olympics? Excited, nervous, angry, or sad? Question number 2. Where were the Animal Olympics held? At the park, at the zoo, at the jungle, or at the circus? Question number 3. Who won the swimming event? Fluffy, kangaroo, dolphin, or tiger? Question number 4. Who was clumsy in the gymnastics event? Fluffy, cheetah, kangaroo, or elephant?